Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch Formula 1 Hungary race or any other race for free. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So I prepared for you this file. I will leave this text in the description. So here is the list of all the platforms that allow you to watch Formula 1 in different countries for free. So for example, if you are from Germany, you can go to the RTL, etc. I'll show you how it works. So basically, first of all, you need to open the browser and type in the browser F1 or Formula 1, and here will be the list of the future races available. Now you need to scroll down and find the website called Formula 1 and click on it. And now as you are in the Formula 1 website, here in the top side of the screen you can see the future race. You need to click on it, and as you can see, if you scroll down just a little, you will find the article called Where to Watch, and here is the links for your country where you can watch the Formula 1 for free. I will choose RTL because it allows you to watch it for free. Now you just need to type in the search bar RTL Formula 1, go for it, and as you can see, RTL for my country is available right here. And now you can go to the live tracker, and the translation will be available here when the race begins. And basically that is it. That is how you can watch Formula 1 for free. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.